Hi, my name is Brian Hugh, and I'm a senior R&D engineer at Kitware. And today I'd like to pitch our project on the Explainable AI Toolkit, or XAITK. First, I want to tell you a little bit about Kitware. We're an open source software R&D company, and we work on various different domains, including medical computing, scientific computing and visualization, data analytics, as well as computer vision, which is the group that I'm a part of. We have offices both in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, as well as Arlington, Virginia, and other locations as well. And most of our work is government contracts, but we also have a side of our company which works on commercial contracts as well. If you're interested in learning more about Kitware, I encourage you to visit our website, kitware.com. So the project that we're pitching is related to Explainable AI, or XAI, and I want to spend a little bit of time just to introduce this idea. So nowadays we have access to large amounts of data, and we can use this data to essentially train machine learning algorithms. So one use case might be for image classification. And so in this case, you might have an image of a cat, you have your trained model, which is typically a neural network, and it makes the prediction that this is a cat with probability of 93%. But the issue is that now when the end user comes to use this model, he doesn't really understand why the model predicts this is a cat. For example, he might ask, why did you predict that this is a cat? And why did you not predict that it was something else? And because of this, the user may not know when or when not to trust the model, and when the model might or might not fail. So the field of explainable AI, or XAI, seeks to develop tools and resources to help interpret and understand these quote-unquote black box machine learning models. So in this case, in this new paradigm, now given the same image of a cat and a more explainable model, or a model that has the ability to explain its prediction, not only do you get the prediction of the model that this is a cat, but you also get explanation of why it thinks it's a cat. So for example, it has fur, whiskers, and claws, and it might have this feature of pointy ears near the top of the animal. So this explanation, along with the prediction, is given to the user, and hopefully this facilitates the user's understanding of the model and a better means to know when and when not to trust the model. And so if you're interested to learn more about the DARPA program, which supported this explainable AI research, I would encourage you to visit this website here. So towards this end, we're developing an open source explainable AI toolkit, or XAITK. We have a website which I encourage you to visit. It's located at XAITK.org. Here is the landing page of the website. It introduces the two main thrusts of the program, which were related to analytics and autonomy. And then inside this website, you will find various XAI tools and contributions from different teams. And we have a template here where each team submits, and it includes relevant information about their contribution, including the intended use case, limitations of their approach, and then there are also links to essentially all of the resources, whether they're software, papers, etc. So again, if you're interested to learn more, encourage you to visit our website. Alongside the website, we've also created this XAITK saliency package. It's a Python package which computes saliency maps. And here, saliency maps are a form of visual explanation, which can show what an algorithm pays attention to during its prediction process. So here, like in the case of a dog, you might see that the dog is highlighted in red, and when it predicts a cat, you can see that the cat is highlighted. So here we support various image understanding tasks. We have a swappable interface, which allows for easy configuration extension of algorithms. And then we've also included several Jupyter notebooks to showcase the capabilities inside the package. And so if you're interested in learning more, we encourage you to visit our GitHub repository, as well as the different examples that are there. So here, the goal of our project is to essentially extend this Python package and develop a containerized web service that provides a RESTful API for image-based saliency algorithm configuration and invocation using the package, the XAITK saliency package. There are a couple of loose requirements. So first, the services should be housed in a separate repository and be relatively modular. We would like you to use established mature dependencies for the components of the system, including Flask or Fast API for the server component. And then we're also want to create a containerized environment using tools such as Docker or Podman. So we're happy to discuss more if people are interested in pursuing this project. So yeah, again, to summarize, to learn more, you can find more information about this toolkit at XAITK.org. And if you would like to contact us, you can reach us at XAITK@kitware.com. All right, thank you.